Grow close, understanding intimacy in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to talk about a beautiful English phrase that describes a special kind of human connection: grow close. It's a phrase you might hear in conversations about relationships and personal bonds. If you've been curious about what it means to grow close to someone, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and explore this meaningful expression together. When people grow close, they develop a strong bond or become more intimate or friendly with each other over time. It's not something that happens overnight, it's a gradual process. This phrase often implies that the closeness is emotional rather than physical, and that it is built on shared experiences, mutual respect, and understanding. Using grow close in a sentence is pretty straightforward. Here are a few examples. I grew close to my colleagues after we worked on a challenging project together. She and her grandmother grew very close during the last few years of her grandmother's life. They had grown close over the years and considered each other family. Notice how the phrase is often accompanied by details that describe how or why the individuals grew close. There are a few variations of grow close that you might encounter. Grow closer, an incremental increase in closeness, as in, as they spent more time together, they grew closer. Becoming close. This is another way to say, grow close, used in a similar manner. Close-knit, often used to describe a group that is very close, like a family or a tight group of friends, as in, the community was close-knit and supportive. The phrase, grow close, can be used in various contexts. Let's take a look at some of them. Friendships. Grow close is common when talking about friendships that deepen over time. Romantic relationships. Couples often grow close as they learn more about each other and build a life together. Work relationships. Coworkers may grow close after sharing many work experiences. Family bonds. Family members can also grow close, especially after overcoming challenges together or spending quality time. Here's how to use grow close in different tenses. Present tense, I feel like we are growing close this year. Past tense, after our trip, we had grown close. Future tense, I think we will grow close as we go through this journey together. That's all on the phrase, grow close. It's a beautiful part of the English language that captures the essence of developing deep connections with others. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase with confidence. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself growing close to the language just as you might with a new friend. Until next time, keep learning and growing.